Welcome to my channel. I am cooking roasted chicken with chicken rice. Also, check out my spinach video. I washed and pat dried my chicken. Add onion powder. Add seasoned salt. Add cayenne pepper. Add smoked paprika. Time for my signature ingredient for savory dishes. Add chicken, better than bouillon. Pour butter over the seasonings to lock in the moisture. I place the chicken on roaster rack. Make sure roaster is heated to 350 degrees before adding the chicken. Chicken cooking.
Wow, that's amazing.
The chicken is done. Let it sit on the rack and cool for a few minutes before carving. Cut drumsticks and thighs partially away from chicken. Flip chicken with backside exposed. I cut the thighs down the back area. Cut the thighs off with drumsticks. Cut the wings off of the breasts. Split the breasts in half. Slice chicken breasts horizontally. My family only eats half. I freeze the rest. Use unsalted butter. Melt butter. Use chopped onions. Use chopped celery. Use red bell pepper. Sauté vegetables. Add refrigerated rice. Use garlic salt. Use cumin. Use everything but the fried rice seasoning. Add my signature seasoning. Taste. Cook on low until heated. Royal Norfolk white square plates bought from Dollar Tree. Glass prep bowls 4-count set. Bought from Dollar Tree. Click my linktree in bio. Everything but the fried rice seasoning bought from Amazon. Food ready. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, comment, like and notify. Link in bio.